guys, good morning.
Dito Canada.
It's 6:13 in the morning.
Shout out
sa
Adik.
hey guys, andito na kami guys sa
Basahin mo.
Cananaskis Council.
Sabi niya una ba? Kiss Council.
Look at guys. Yun. Dati pa. Sa video ko lang ito makikita ngayon. Thanks God. So mag-iiba ko ng daan.
Kahila sa anak niya.
Shortcut. Ha? Dede mo lagi. Buat dalan. Berarti. Guys, mau moto-moto ke? Dili.
Yeah. Speak English.
Oh, let's go. Hi. Taga Brad ka?
Kuan, mag-apply pa ko ka ng aspirant sir. Kung manggugusog kayo sila ba niya? Gusto ko maka-learn.
Look at the view. And I love you though. Char lang.
Opo.
Yo, what's up, Philippines? Sorry guys, we're here in Cananaskis country. King, I don't know.
King Creek.
King Creek.
Aryan King Creek. Papuya ninyo kalasong.
Nalang?
No, ang atong na-render.
How's it going, mate?
Oh yeah, I'm very good, man.
What's up, doc?
Marag pato ba?
Yung mga yalo ka tayo sa Pickrad. Magkuha tayo ng regular bin. 2 time lapse. Kung maganda tayo. Tawo yan.
So guys, we're almost there guys. Where's here? Look at that. Sa gini Kings Creek.
Ano?
Kings Creek
Ridge.
Kings Creek Ridge guys. We're almost there. Look at the view guys at my back. So amazing. It's my 3 days here in Canada. Wala pa tayo sungkod kay Sid na. guys, dito kami sa first peak.
First peak. First peak, sorry. First peak sa, ano yun niya?
Kings Creek.
Kings Creek Ridge.
Ito namin guys, may wala kami dalang ice pick.
Saka wala kami, walang creek.
2,400 above sea level.
2,500.
Let me see.
2546 miles above sea level. I guess I'm right, or I don't know.
So, dapat
Topor.
ipakita mo yung view doon sa likod mo, yung harap mo. I mean, ikot ka.
Ikot lang.
Yeah. Oh.
Fuck, kalapla.